Hello fellow modelers. Today we're going to be looking at the engine nacelle construction, main wheel construction, how I do it my way, and tail wheel. In other words, she got legs. Let's begin. After basic construction of the engine nacelle, we now focus on reinforcing the insides. Nice. And after all this, I can't wait to attach the engine cowling to the nacelle. Let's move on. This is my method for constructing the wheels and also the landing gear. Much of this I use a toothpick to replace the parts I needed to roll. This is my method for creating my own wheels, which turn out to be pretty good. I usually cut cardstock black sheet between 2 mm and 5 mm thickness depending on the model, glue onto toothpick, and get any miniature drill set. I use a Dremel tool and sand as needed. Then we cut out the center of the wheel hub, create that groove with the cake tool, and apply to our freshly made wheel. Pretty much that's what I do to try create a realistic wheel. Care taken to apply the silver using my pen to the underside of the carriage, and we integrate. Looking good. Now just to repeat for the other side. Now we just use our instruction to make a checklist to see that we have gotten all our parts onto the landing gear. And speaking of checklists, could you please consider subscribing or like this video? It will go a long way to help encourage me produce far more videos. Thanks a lot, my friends. And after we complete putting on the tiny pieces we need, we now paint the wheel in dull silver gray and the wheels, of course. This always enhances the look and the feel of your paper model. Never miss that step. And with everything installed, she's looking pretty sweet right now. It's always the little things that will make a big impact to your model at this scale, and that includes the bomb aimer fairing, apparently the Do17Z carried a unique tailwheel configuration, and this is my build of it. There she goes, standing on her own. I am so proud of this baby, looking every bit of that vintage World War II medium bomber. So my friends, take care, have fun, walk good, happy modeling, and above all, one love.